So put up on my brother. Put up on my brother.
Yes, sir.
His business.
In here we got the Lakers shirts, MLFSS. You know, it's my company, Martell Love Financial Stability Services. The Lake Show shirts, 2020 NBA Finals. Come check us out, man. 25 a shirt.
Man.
25 a shirt, and then 3X is 30. So take care of you.
Got you.
I mean?
So look, we're gonna document the whole little process.
Yeah.
What drove you to start your own business? Like, what put you in that mindset? Like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, I gotta have my own business. I gotta do it.
Just being humble, man, and humbling myself to the fact that, you know, we're in a tough time right now, and people need to bring back the spirit of, you know, family, and this is a good way to do it by bringing your kid a t-shirt or bringing your wife a t-shirt, your son. You never know, it could be, you know, you want a shirt. So
right.
It brings back the good spirit and you know, a fighting spirit for what we're going through right now.
Absolutely. So let's talk a little bit about your business.
Yeah, MLFSS is Martell Love's Financial Stability Services. We help people with life insurance, health insurance, credit repair, and much more. We're getting into homeowners insurance, which is property and casualty, fire and protection. And we're also going to be doing clothing, food, cold pressed juices, healthy juices, like, you know, to boost your immune system to protect your body against the coronavirus, while offering life insurance and health insurance to, you know, protect you and your family financially if something were to happen to you in the virus.
Got you. And so are you doing any consulting? Any, like, if somebody wants to, like, start their own business or learn how to do a pop-up shop or something like that, are you charging for any personal consulting services as of yet, or is that something you look to do?
That's something I'll definitely look into doing, though.
Okay. Because I'm thinking, you know, a lot of people, you know, have ideas in their head, and, you know, would also want to know what mindset it would take to actually, you know, put everything together, you know, get their boxes together, get their table,
right.
Get the card reader, get the bags to really enhance the experience of the whole process.
Yeah, it's just detail, you know. There's things that I'm missing that I still have to learn. You know, I don't know everything. So,
right.
Right now, it's just the basics, which is products and services.
Okay.
So that's where I'm at right now, is getting the basics, perfecting the basics, and then moving forward into detail.
Got you. Well, you know, we really like the design. What drove you to come up with this design right here? I see it's
this design is inspired by, you know, the Los Angeles culture. You got the city with the palm trees, with the players outlined, the NBA Finals trophy, the Lakers logo. You know, you got LeBron James, King James, you got AD, you got Rajon Rondo, which are three great basketball players for the NBA Los Angeles Lakers, you know. So
okay. For
it's
sure.
Something that like I said, it's something that'll brighten up people's day, bring the spirit to people to where they will have a better not only NBA Finals game, but something that they can look back on and be happy about.
For sure, man. This is amazing. I really think it's great. I want to take a look at the whole design. As you see right here, we have Lake Show 2020. We have MLFSS.com right here. As you see, everything's official. Everything's packaged up, clean, crispy. I mean, outstanding. And also, we got the card reader right here.
Yep.
So
you need to come with your card, credit card. We got Apple Pay. It's a Clover device, so it does Apple Pay. You name it. You just scan your phone, all that. So
that's advanced.
Yeah.
That's advanced.
It's a blessing.
And also, coming with technology like this is really important, so people know they're getting a secure payment process.
Right. Yeah. So MLFSS.com. Check us out. We offer services, and we are going to be getting into consulting with individuals about how we can help them in their financial future and, you know, level up.
For sure.
To the next level.
So look, as we continue to see you with these pop-ups and different projects, you know, we always gonna remember this one, because this was the first one.
Yeah, this is the first one. This is the first pop-up, which ain't even a pop-up because we don't have a canopy. But
right.
it's a pop-up in sales. So
Okay.
we out here, we dealing with the people on a personal basis, you know, face to face with them, so they don't feel like, you know, everything that we do in business is just online. We're a very personal business. We like to get down to the nitty-gritty with individuals.
And you standing by your products in person.
Sir, we stand by our products and our services.
Man, I love that.
Genuine services, genuine products.
Hey, this is
in-home products. We design them, we get them printed up, we buy all our pictures. Everything is genuine, man.
This is something that's gonna last forever.
Something that's gonna last forever, for generations. That's what our company is about, building generational wealth.
Hey, that's what we gonna do.
Yes, sir.
Continue to stay brave.
Yes, sir.
Continue to stay with your champions mindset.
Yes, sir.
Stay with the CVM champions value mindset.
Yes, sir.
What would you say is the mindset that it takes to do this? If you have to point to one part of your mindset that you would have to pull to be able to be brave enough to do something like this, what would it be?
Knowing that it's gonna be a fight.
Okay.
And just knowing that whoever's going against you won't prevail against what you have to do. You know, that's a champion mindset to me.
There we go. Hey, we're gonna execute on that.
Yes,
we're gonna
sir.
keep doing this, and hey, we're only gonna grow from here.
That's right.
All right.
That's your card.
Okay. I need that. Yes. I need that large, you know what I'm saying?
Sir.
That's all I need. I'm trying to support.
Yes, sir.
I like it if it's to get that jewelry tonight.
Yes, sir.
Jewelry tonight, so I'm gonna go ahead. Hey, you gotta sow a seed, you feel me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bob.
Hey, I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? It's my brother. But that don't mean that you can't support.
Love bros.
Hey, exactly. And that don't mean you can't support.
That's right.
That's
right.
what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to support.
And we don't just take cash. We take card. We got the card reader right here, Clover device.
Yeah.
So you know, you come through with your Apple Pay, your phone, whatever you have, Google Pay. We take all of it, and we get you set right.
I love it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I feel like I'm there.
That's right.
I'm there. I got it. Got what I need. You know what I'm saying? Clean bag and everything.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? I feel like I just left the boutique.
That's right.
That's how you're supposed to do it.